In addition to our concentration in healthcare law, the firm is also a full-service law firm. We provide a full range of corporate services, transactional services, litigation services, and real estate services to clients, not just in the healthcare industry, but in other industries as well.
There are two parts to our business practice, and we do both transactional matters and commercial litigation. And it's really interesting because we kind of weave the two together. For example, I'm a primary litigator in commercial matters. So a lot of the transactional lawyers will come to me and ask me questions about particular documents as they're drafting them before they're finalized to find out whether or not there's going to be a litigation issue eventually if this was to be the final. And then if we have a litigation, I work with them, and obviously I have my own expertise in doing transactions. But we work together to try to create a system where the client is being best represented, and we do that. There's no ego involved. We just try to do the best thing we can. I'm involved in mostly commercial transactions involving secured transactions, a lot of uniform commercial code transactions where I represent a lender and I create the documents and I work with them on problems. And so that's why it's kind of mixed together. One of the things we try to do is we try to figure out whether we can avoid the litigation. And when we have a litigation matter that comes to us, we try to figure out if there's a way to resolve the matter before we have to spend a lot of the client's money litigating it. But of course, once we're in there, we're aggressive. We make sure that our client is well represented. We use every tool in the toolbox to be able to do it right.
Commercial litigation essentially refers to legal disputes amongst people that have been in business with one another, have some kind of contractual relationship. Those business disputes arise in any number of forms. And when that happens, or there's a threat of that happening, invariably an individual who's involved in that is going to contact a lawyer seeking representation. The litigation aspect is really the unfortunate product of not being prepared when you enter into some business transaction. No one wants to be in litigation. It's the business equivalent of radical surgery. You want to be able to prevent litigation as best as possible from happening. And the way to prevent that is to have well-crafted and easily understood paperwork. The way to achieve that is to hire attorneys in a law firm that are well-versed in these types of agreements so that the contract that's put together will provide that roadmap and a rule book for proceeding and avoiding litigation.